And now we study the exercise number 6, that is seed classes or type on the basis of physical and genetical purity. This classification of seed, important classes or improved classes of seed we study today's lecture. First we enlist the different classes of seed. First important class is a nuclear seed, second one bitter seed, then third foundation seed, fourth register seed, and number 5 is certified seed. Now we explain one by one. First, the nuclear seed. Nuclear seed is the initial seed of an improved variety which is always limited in quantity. Nuclear seed, it is a initial or it is the first stage of seed production. It is a first or initial seed which, which is always in very small quantity or a limited quantity. It is produced by the originating plant breeder. It is produced or start by the originating plant breeder. This is a more important characteristic of the nuclear seed. Now some features one by one we explain. First is nuclear seed production. It is produced at the experimental farm of the concerned research institute or agriculture university under the supervision of original plant breeder or sponsored plant breeder. Okay. The next is purity. It is genetically and physically 100% pure. Then third is certification of nuclear seed. For nuclear seed, certification is not necessary. Then uses of nuclear seed. Nuclear seed is useful for production of breeder seed. It is not meant for general distribution. Then second type is breeder seed. Breeder seed, it is the progeny of nuclear seed or breeder seed. Number of time asked in an exam, that is a objective point of view. The breeder seed is a progeny of dash seed. The breeder seed is a progeny of nuclear or itself breeder seed. Then it is a produced under the strict supervision of original or sponsor plant breeder at the research farm of the concerned crop research institute or agriculture university. Means it is developed under the strict supervision of original plant breeder or sponsoring plant breeder in a research farm of the concerned crop research institute or agriculture university. Then production of breeder seed. Breeder seed is produced in isolation from other variety. The isolation distance differ from species to species. Isolation distance is required for to maintain the genetic purity of seed. That reason isolation distance is required. Isolation distance is vary from variety to variety or species to species. Breeder seed isolation distance is more as compared to the certified seed. Then purity of breeder seed. Breeder seed is genetically and physically 100% pure. The genetic purity is maintained by its proper rogging. The genetic purity maintained for breeder seed by using the proper rogging method. We study in previous lecture different rogging stage. Rogging means removal of off-type or dissimilar characteristics of plant from the field. Also, pest and disease affected plant removed from the main field to maintain the genetic purity. That reason we do the rogging operation. The next one is certification of breeder seed. Certification is not required for breeder seed. The seed plot is inspected by monitoring team which consists of original or sponsor plant breeder and one representative each for National Seed Corporation and State Seed Certification Agency. Okay, that is a long form of NSCA. or SSCA. Number of time we ask in exam abbreviation of NSCA and SSCA. C is common. First is a National Seed Corporation, and second one is a certification, that is State Seed Certification Agency. Here National Seed Corporation Agency. Okay. Then uses of bidder seed. Bidder seed is used for production of foundation seed. Okay, filling the blanks, ask this question. The bidder seed is used for production of foundation seed. It is not meant for general distribution. Means for farmers not use the bidder seed. Okay. The next one is foundation seed. The third type of seed production or classification is foundation seed. Foundation seed is the progeny of bidder seed. Okay, it is important point. Foundation seed, it is the progeny of bidder seed and source for certified seed. Okay, its feature. First, production of foundation seed. It is produced by the National Seed Corporation under the strict supervision of research scientists and experts from NSC, that is National Seed Corporation. Production of foundation seed is taken up at the seed multiplication farms of government research from ICR Institute and Agriculture University, and also on cultivars fields. Proper isolation distance is adapted for the production of foundation seed, which varies from crop to crop. Means for production of foundation seed, the research scientist expert from the National Seed Corporation under this guidance, we do this, or also it seed multiplication in under the government institute or government farm or research farm which is recommended by the ICRI Institute and also agriculture universities. Okay, then it's the production of foundation seed which is vary from the crop to crop. Isolation distance means isolation distance for foundation seed is more as compared to the certified seed, and in which the isolation distance for cross pollinated crop is more as compared to the self pollinated crop. Then purity of foundation seed. Foundation seed it foundation seed is genetically 10% pure. However, physical purity is 98% is permissible. The remaining 2%, including the inert matter, that is other crop seed or trash material or dust particles are involved. Then certification of foundation seed. In case of foundation seed, certification is required, which is undertaken by State Seed Certification Agency. The certification is necessary for foundation seed, okay, which is given by or undertaken by the State Seed Certification Agency, that is SSCA. Then uses of foundation seed. Foundation seed is used for the production of certified seed. Foundation seed is useful for production of certified seed. It is not made by general distribution. Means used for only for production of certified seed, not used for the farmer for cultivation. First we study the nuclear seed, bidder seed, foundation, then register and certified. That is NBPGR. Okay, sorry, NBPS. The next one seed is that is a registered seed. Registered seed, which is not mainly used in India, but other foreign countries this seed is used. But in exam we write the registered seed also. Okay, the registered seed, it is the progeny of either foundation seed or registered seed. In India, registered seed is generally omitted or not used, and certified seed is produced directly from the foundation seed. But the registered seed we write in a exam, that is exam point of view, it is important. The main features of registered seed: first, production of registered seed. It is produced at the farm of progressively cultivated according to the technical advice and supervision of National Seed Corporation. Then its purity, it has 100% genetical pure, however the physical purity is 98%. It is permissible, which including the other crop seed, also dust particles or some other inert matter. Then certification of registered seed. This class of seed also requires certification, which is undertaken by state seed certification agency, like the previous seed, that is foundation seed. Then next, uses of registered seed. Registered seed is used for production of certified seed or registered seed. It is also not meant for general distribution. Okay, these are the common point like certified seed, sorry, foundation seed. Now we discuss last important class, that is certified seed. Certified seed is more important as compared to other seed because it is used for, we study further that first the certified seed is the progeny of either foundation or registered or certified seed. Then its main feature: production of certified seed. It is produced on the field or progressively farmer under the strict supervision of state seed certification agency. This work is also taken up by the National Seed Corporation. Means only not only the supervision of state seed certification agency, but also the National Seed Corporation agency also the do the seed certification agency or its observation. If required, sorry, proper isolation distance is adopted, which varies from species to species. Okay, the certified seed also require proper isolation distance, but certified seed require minimum isolation distance as compared to the other classes of seed. The purity of certified seed, it has genetically pure of 100% and physically pure purity is 98%. The other crop seed and wheat seed should not be more than prescribed standard, which vary from species to species. Means the genetically pure is 100% of the certified seed, but physically 98%, 2% it include the other crop seed, weed seed or other dust particle, but it is not more than its prescribed standard, which is recommended by the state certification agency or National Seed Corporation. Okay, then certification of certified seed. The certified seed class of seed require certification, which is undertaken by the state certification agency. For certification, the seed must meet rigid requirement of purity and germination. We check the germination percentage and its purity also. The uses of certified seed, that is certified seed is available for general distribution to the farmer for commercial crop production. These are very important point of uses of certified seed. Number of times objective point of view ask in exam, which seed is used for the farmers for their commercial production, that is certified seed. Certified seed is used for the farmer for commercial crop production.